So what's a simple, really delicious side dish that you can take to any backyard barbecue? Stumped? Cast iron cheddar cheese cornbread? Why not? Let's get to it. Time to assemble our ingredients. We need some cornmeal, some all-purpose flour, some whole milk, cheddar cheese, brown sugar, canola oil, baking powder, kosher salt, and 1 whole egg. Now go ahead and crack and beat your egg and add it to your whole milk. You want to keep it separate from the oil at the moment because it really isn't going to benefit you. All it's going to do is separate. Now in a large mixing bowl, let's go ahead and hit all of our dry ingredients in there and incorporate them thoroughly with a whisk. You definitely want to mix this part well and evenly because of the brown sugar. You don't want to have any clumping. Let's add our oil to our milk and egg mixture and add it into the party. Now at this point you want to gently mix it. You don't want to over whisk it because you will make it too dense, but at the same time you want to make sure that it's pretty decently incorporated. Now let's go ahead and fold in our shredded yellow cheddar cheese, or whatever cheese of your choice, to be honest with you. Jalapeno jack is pretty delicious too if you want to make it a little bit spicy. And fold it in nicely with a spatula. You do not need to use a whisk. Like I said, you don't want to overwork this batter. Now in the essence of keeping things healthy, I chose, instead of using butter, to use bacon fat. Needless to say, it's pretty darn delicious. You should actually try it out. You want to grease the pan thoroughly and then go ahead and add your batter mixture and spread it out evenly across the pan. Now go ahead and place it into a preheated 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Now once you see that beautiful golden color, let's take it out of the oven, poke it with a skewer and make sure there's no soft batter, and do some magic. We're going to coat it and glaze it with a honey butter that I made previously. Just check the description down below. There's a recipe for it. Real simple. It's legitimately just 2 ingredients. Now there is some delicious sweet and savory cornbread that you can be proud of. Take it to your next barbecue. You never know. You might get stuck making it from now on. Thanks again for watching, everybody. And if you like my content, there'll be tons more videos right about over in here. I think the link's going to be over there. Yeah, should be. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel and see further content, there'll be a link right up over here. And as well, everything that we just did is going to be in the description down below. And if you feel like being awesome, go ahead and smash that like button, and please subscribe. Once again, keep cooking with style.